Tuesday.
As exciting as we think our morning is, look at these guys.
I think you've earned some beads, Kurt. Here you go. In Dan's Daily Destination, we are celebrating Mardi Gras. It's Fat Tuesday. It's time for the beads, the celebrating, the parades, the cake.
Yes, it's all about the king cake. You take a look. We actually have a couple of king cakes right here. That was, see that? Just slide right in.
Can you tip it up?
And they're from Rhinelander Bakery on Wadsworth in
They're
Old Town,
tasty.
Arvada. So let's get out there to Mr. DeRue, who's cooking up the king cakes. And I know earlier, if y'all don't know at home, there's a baby Jesus figure inside the king cake. And Dan, you guys were trying to track down the baby Jesuses earlier. Did you find them?
There's one of about 5,000
Oh my gosh.
babies. That's a lot of baby Jesuses, man. That's all I'm saying. I don't mean nothing bad by it. I'm saying there's a lot of baby Jesus. Of course, this is a facsimile. It's not a real baby Jesus, right?
No.
All right. Hey, you're not Ed. What happened? Oh, what are you doing, Eddie?
Well, I'm just
Sneaking up
watching
on the
everyone.
guy.
I'm watching everyone else work hard.
All right, Fat Tuesday. It's Fat P-H-A-T or is it F-A-T? Doesn't matter. But we're making up king cakes. King cakes. It's not. Hey man, thank you very much. It's not king of rock and roll. Explain the history of the king cake?
King cake goes back to the 18th century in New Orleans, and it's celebrated after the Three Kings, which is sometimes known as the Three Kings Day.
Okay.
And in celebration, the colors represent purple for faith, green for justice. Green is for
Something else. And then the other colors for something else. Hey, now, and the white frosting is for milk, because you're going to need a ton of it. How many of these cakes do you make?
We make about 1,000 of them, and the baby Jesus that's in the cake, which you have to insert yourself.
Right.
But whoever gets the baby Jesus is crowned king or queen for the day, and of course gets to buy the next king cake.
And that's good luck for the whole year.
Oh, absolutely. Good luck for the whole year.
And don't forget the little-known tradition of find the baby mother-in-law on the cake. And if you find the baby mother-in-law on the cake, you have bad luck for the rest of your natural-born life. Trust me, I'm digressing. All right, now, if people still want some of these cakes, where do they need to go, and how much?
We can go to the Rhinelander Bakery in Old Town Arvada,
Yes.
and they are $24.98 each. We'll have them all day long.
Oh, and you need to get some milk.
Milk is
Or
always
coffee.
good with it.
You have coffee here, too.
And, you know, in celebration in true tradition of Jesus, a little wine with it would work just fine.
Or I want to find Bourbon Street, because is there Bourbon Street around here? Because I'm a little parched. I got a little tickle.
I don't know if there's one in Arvada, but there's plenty of bourbon in Old Town.
Yay, bourbon! Breck and Kirk, happy Fat Tuesday. P-H-A-T, fat.
So we looked it up while you guys were messing it up. We looked up purple means justice, green represents faith, and gold represents power. So there you have it, in case you were
There
wondering.
you go.
Boy, I got the baby.
You did. I hid it in there because the baby comes outside of the cake, and then you got to kind of hide it in there. And Brooke got it, which
And
means two things. Good luck. You're the king. And you get to buy the next cake.
He immediately took it away from me, Jen. All right, guys.